Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be teaching you how to make your own origami dog face. For this video, we used a 6x6 inch piece of origami, but you can use any size piece of origami as long as it's a square. Let's get started. Alright, start off by folding in half diagonally. Make sure that you have nice sharp folds. Crease. Next, from right here, you're just going to unfold, turn it around, and fold it up. Fold. Now that you have this right here, from here, you just want to fold this up to the middle line. Crease sharply, do the same thing on the other side, fold it up to the middle line. Next, now that you have this, you're just going to fold this side to this crease right there. Fold it to that side. Unfold and do the same thing on the other side. Fold it up to that crease. This one right here, you're just going to fold it and then crease it. Next, from right here, you're just going to fold on that new crease that you just made. You just want to fold up to the latest crease, so right there, fold, do the same thing on the other side. You know that crease that you just made? Go fold on it. So now that you have this, you're just going to turn it over. Make sure to flatten out the project. You can use a cup full of items and crease it. Alright, now that you have this, just fold this back down. Fold. Next, now from here, just flip it back over so you have this dog face. If it's not aligned perfectly, you might have to change the fold. Fold. Next, for the final fold, you're just going to turn it over one more time, grab the tip, and fold it a bit up. And you're done. All you have to do now is draw on the face. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, turn your notifications, and like the video. Also, thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.